Hey besties, today I'm demonstrating my stretched out perm rod set. These curls are so full and fluffy and I love how they turned out. So if you want to know exactly how I got them, keep on watching. So first and foremost, I need to get my hair right. So I'm prepping using JVN Hair. This video is sponsored by JVN Hair and Magic Links. So shout out to them. Thank you so much for working with me. So starting off, we have the complete pre-wash scalp oil, and I'm going to massage it into my scalp and hair and let it sit for 15 minutes. This oil promotes stronger and healthier looking hair and has basil root extract to minimize hair loss. So I'm really going to focus on massaging it into my crown where my hair is the most fragile. JVN's oils are so bomb. They feel so silky without being greasy, and every product I'm showing today smells so amazing, like very much tropical vacation, and I love it. Now I need my hair to be clean and hydrated so my curls turn out fluffy, and I'm going in with the Nurture Hydrating Shampoo, Deep Moisture Mask, and Conditioner. So first, let's get into the shampoo. I was blown away by this product. I know we all get a little scared shampooing sometimes. It can be so stripping and drying that your hair feels like straw, like it's gonna break off while shampooing. But when I say this shampoo hydrated my hair like no other, I am completely obsessed. Next, we have the Nurture Deep Moisture Mask. This is a weekly mask that leaves hair soft, smooth, and hydrated, made with camellia seed oil and rice protein. So I put my hair in a shower cap just to let the steam and the heat of the shower really get in there and let it penetrate my follicles. My hair needs all the protein and moisture it can get, and this mask definitely came through and left my hair so hydrated. And you can see the light reflecting off of it. It looks so healthy and shiny. So I had the mask in for about 5 minutes, and then I'm just gonna detangle because I really like to detangle when I have hair masks in. So you don't really need to use a conditioner after the mask, but I'm never against adding some extra moisture. So I finished off with the Nurture Hydrating Conditioner, and look at my hair, you guys. It's giving shine and hydration, and it felt so healthy, especially after my hair's been feeling really fried lately. Next, I'm going in with the Complete Instant Recovery Serum. I'm in love with the texture, and it's a heat protectant, which is amazing because I am using a little bit of heat today, and it acts as a primer for your hair, balancing the porosity so that your hair retains moisture better. And finally, I'm applying the Complete Air Dry Cream so I can make sure my curls are smooth, shiny, and frizz-free. And now I'm ready for styling. So again, thank you JVN Hair for sponsoring this video. I truly loved using these products. I let my hair dry about 40%. You don't want it soaking wet or it'll take forever to dry. So just like my other perm rod video, I'm going to part my hair down the middle, and I'll be working in 4 sections. For the first back section, I'm going to split it in half and clip the top piece out of the way. And if your hair does dry past like halfway, just spray some water, make sure everything is detangled. And I'm also going to go in with the Pillow Soft Curls and apply a little bit of product. Then I'm going to do a flat twist, which I am terrible at, and when I get to the bottom, I'm going to hold one piece away. I know it looks crazy, but I didn't have any extra clips, so I just had to hold it with my mouth, and I'm going to apply the perm rod. Today I'm using the orange and purple ones because they are both jumbo size, and they'll give you a looser, fuller curl. To apply the rod, make sure your hair is pulled taut. You don't want to see any of your curl pattern, so just make sure you're holding it where it looks like it's straight. And I start by rolling the bottom upwards until the end is fully secured, and then I'm going to spiral twist it until I get all the way to the top or to the end of the flat twist, and I'm just going to repeat that on the other pieces of my hair. So I'm going to repeat those same exact steps, except now I'm working on the top section of that first back section. Also, don't try to focus on your twists being too perfect. We're going to fluff out the curls in the end anyway, so your twists don't have to be the best. Mine absolutely were not, so don't worry about that. Sometimes I found myself struggling doing this still, and I've done this like 8, not 8, I'm being dramatic, like maybe 5 times, maybe 6, I don't know. I've done it a few times, and I'm still struggling with certain aspects, so don't feel like you're gonna need to be perfect at the very beginning or like the first time you're doing this. So now I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys just watch what I do to the other back section. Literal same exact steps that I did on the first section you guys just saw me do. So for the visual learners, you can keep watching if this helps you. If not, feel free to just skip this part and skip to me working on the front sections. Alright, so we finally made it to the front half of my head, and I'm only going to be doing 4 flat twists in total. So each section will have 2 flat twists, and each twist is going to have 2 perm rods. So it's the same exact process, flat twist until you get to the loose hair or the bottom, and put one piece out of the way, clip it, put it in your mouth like I did, and apply your perm rod, making sure your hair is taut and you secure the rod over the hair that's laying over the rod, which you guys have seen me do a few times. And you also want to make sure your twists are all going the same way so that everything is uniform. Again, I'm gonna stop talking, but if you feel like you need a more in-depth explanation, I do have another perm rod tutorial on my channel that I feel like I explained more of the process of how to do it, so I will link that in the description so you guys can check that out if you need it. In total, I had 4 big sections with 2 flat twists in each and 2 rods for each twist, leaving us with 16 perm rods in total. So I immediately put my scarf on and went to bed, but if you have a couple hours to spare, definitely let your hair air dry a little before covering it up. Now for the takedown, you should always apply an oil to your hands to avoid and reduce frizz. So I'm using the JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. Again, this product just smells so good. Since my curls were still a little wet and I was low on time, I'm only going to take the rods out. I'm not going to worry about the twists just yet. But if your hair is completely dry, definitely do the takedown process all in one step. Once all the rods are down, I'm going to use my little blow dry cap and attach my blow dryer, and I'm going to be using medium heat and low speed for about 10 minutes or just until your hair is dry, or until my hair was dry. And once that's done, I'm going to take out all of the twists and fluff the curls out with a pick or a wide tooth comb. You can also brush them out completely and you'll have a really voluminous, pretty fluffy type of curl. I did that the other day and it was really pretty, so I definitely recommend trying that as well. But I love this method because the curls are so soft and looser, so they're easy to fluff out, leaving me with volume, length, and more of an effortless curl. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thanks again, JVN Hair, for sponsoring, and make sure you guys check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video.